Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So click the link if you would like to buy this phone. ViVO just introduced the X90s, a minor upgrade to the X90 which was introduced back in November last year. It retains most specifications from the X90, but this gets the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC compared to Dimensity 9200 in the X90. It has a 6.78-inch 1.5K BO 120Hz AMOLED screen, 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, Wi-Fi 7 support, IP64 ratings for dust and water resistance, 5MP camera with Sony IMX866 sensor OIS, 12MP ultra-wide and 12MP 50mm 2x portrait camera Zeiss optics and V2 chip. It also retains the 4810 mAh battery with 120W fast charging and doesn't have wireless charging. 6.78-inch 2800x1260 pixels, FHD plus Bokeh OLED HDR10+, 120Hz refresh rate, up to 1300 nits brightness, 115% DCI-P3 color gamut, 2160Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming. Up to 3.35 GHz octa-core Dimensity 9200 plus 4nm processor with Immortalis G715 GPU. 8GB, 12GB LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB, UFS 4.0 storage, 12GB LPDDR5X RAM with 512GB, UFS 4.0 storage. Sensor, f1.75 aperture, BCS Bionic Spectrum, LED flash, OIS, 12MP ultra-wide camera with f2.0 aperture, 12MP 50mm 2x portrait camera, f1.98 aperture, laser autofocus, Zeiss T** coating, Zeiss optics, V2 chip. 32MP front-facing camera with f2.45 aperture. In-display fingerprint sensor, infrared sensor. USB Type-C audio, stereo speaker. Dust and splash resistant, IP64. Dimensions X90, 164.10 x 74.44 x 8.48 mm black, green and white, 8.88 mm red, weight 201.5 grams black, 202.2 grams green, 203.5 grams white, 197.5 grams red. 5G SAW, NSA, dual 4G Volt, Wi-Fi 7800 2.11 AX 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, L1 plus L5 dual band plus GLONASS, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1. 4810 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. The ViVO X90s comes in black, white and green colors with a glass back and the red has a leather finish. It is priced at 3,999 yuan, 552 United States dollars per 45,330 rupees approximately, for 8GB plus 256GB, 4,299 yuan, 594 United States dollars per 48,730 rupees approximately, for 12GB plus 256GB and the top-end 12GB plus 512GB model costs 4,699 yuan, 649 United States dollars per 53,265 rupees approximately. The phone is now available to order and will go on sale in China from June 30th.